Worship, in front of the court case number 8642 of 2024, State versus Louis Petrus Liebenberg, Your Worship, he is accused number 1 in this matter. Today is the 10th of December 2025. Presiding officer Mrs. Lees, prosecutor Advocate Conradi. No interpreter needed, Your Worship, and on behalf of Mr. Liebenberg, Advocate Henson de Toy appears. Your Worship, prior to the court going into session, there was an agreement between the state as well as the defense to remand this matter until the 22nd of January 2026. Your Worship, that is to ascertain how far the process is to arrange for a bail for Mr. Liebenberg to go to his office. I wish to inform the court will recall on the previous occasion he was number 53, he is now number 51. I trust on the 22nd of January he will have a clearer indication of his going on. Your Worship, then I learned from my colleague that there's a possibility that there might be some applications on the 22nd of January. The state is not. We do not know what type of applications it will be, but the request is that if there's any application on the 22nd, that at least by the 14th of January, the state is supplied with